Yay.
You're back.
Okay. So Christine and I were saying we're going to have you show us how to do it.
Yeah, for sure.
Because we spent this whole time looking and we did not figure anything out.
Gotcha.
Okay. All
We're
right.
on the quiz?
So where did we lose you, Taylor? Did you get the answer number 4?
I think that's where I was. That was probably where it cut off.
Okay.
Because yeah, I think I don't think I even did number 3.
Number 3. Okay. We had that as true. Says the blood types and the proportions given in the table define a probability distribution. And I thought that was true, but I probably could relook it up and just make sure. But
probabilities follow a pattern called probability distributions, or distributions for short, and then it goes into the rules of probability.
Okay.
So all of the blood type would give us the distribution of the different probabilities over the whole thing, right?
Yeah.
So basically just all those equal 1, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Great. Awesome.
Okay. So number 4, we had, what's the probability that a randomly selected person in the United States has type O blood? Which we said 0.45 because it's basically reading the chart.
Just go to the table.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, the chart.
Okay.
So then we're on number 4.
5.
Yeah,
right.
5. Sorry. Oh, scroll down more. I knew where we were, just didn't. Yeah.
Okay.
So what is the probability that a randomly selected person will not have type O?
So 0.55.
Probability that they will.
So that they won't is all the rest of them added up, right? So we're going to do 0.40 plus 0.11
Right.
plus.
Or you could just do 1 minus 0.45.
Yeah, that's true.
We're going to do 1 minus 0.45.
Uh-huh.
Correct.
Okay, so we've got 0.55.
Yep.
Alrighty.
Taylor, you want to go?
Yep. Carolyn Willis and her colleagues conducted a study in which dogs were trained to detect bladder cancer. The dogs were trained to lie down next to a specimen derived from a bladder cancer patient. Tangle, one of the dogs, demonstrates the identification of a specimen. 7 bowls containing urine were lined up in a random order. 6 of the samples were from patients who did not have bladder cancer. 1 of the samples came from a person identified as a bladder cancer patient. If the dogs guess at random, what is the probability that they will correctly identify the dish containing the specimen from the bladder cancer patient? Should be 1 in 6.
That 1 out of 6.
Yes. Can we have to round so is it 1 divided by 6?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So 0.167?
Yeah.
Said 3 places?
Yeah.
Good.
Okay. In a combined total of 54 trials, the dogs correctly identified the specimen from the cancer patient 22 times. It is very unlikely that the dog would do this well by random chance alone. Which of the following statements is most appropriate? This provides strong evidence that dogs can detect bladder cancer. There is little evidence that dogs can detect bladder cancer. So they got it 22 times out of 54. I don't know.
Right, which is 0.4, so 40% of the time.
I don't know. What's the number? that we, you know, does it need to be 50% of the time to make it accurate? Does it need to be, I don't know.
Right. I would think it's that 50% is kind of the threshold.
Yeah.
But because I guess there's, well, yeah, I don't know. Like, yeah, like it's better than random, but to say, oh, I don't know. I'm just
Yeah.
impressed by the dogs, but it's still like, you know, that's it's I don't think it's enough to say that there's strong evidence that they can do it.
Right. Right. Yeah. I was trying to see if there was anything I wrote down, but I mean, I would think with
It tells us what a good probability is, right?
Mhm.
Well, what's the
strong evidence, little evidence. Because I mean, if it was 98%, we'd say, oh yeah, it's strong evidence.
Totally.
Or if it was 5%, we'd say no. It's just hard because it's right in that middle, middle ground that I don't know. And that's again, like, am I overthinking this? Am I looking at it going, okay, 40% of the time, would I gamble on something that happened 40% of the time? I don't know. So, did we lose Christine?
I don't think so.
Oh wait, there she is. Okay. I've got her frozen on my screen.
Me too.
Well, she left for a minute now. Hopefully she'll pop back on here.
Dang these computers.
No. I'm not sure. So yeah, I don't know.
I would say that that this is little evidence.
That's what I would say too. Because the first thing it says, it provides strong evidence. It's not saying this means these dogs can predict all cancer. It's just saying it provides strong evidence.
Right.
I don't know, it's a 50-50 shot.
Yeah.
But I agree. I think there's little evidence. Okay, let's see. I see her picture back. No. Let's see, maybe oh, there you are. Can you hear us now, Christine?
Yes, I can hear you now.
Okay.
Sweet.
I lost you though. What happened?
I don't know. It just left. I'm not sure.
I just left. Okay.
So we're thinking it's.
I think the part. Go ahead. Say it again.
We were just thinking it's probably little evidence because the choices are it's strong evidence or there's little evidence, and we don't feel like 40% would be warranted to say it's strong evidence that they can detect it.
Good there. The language of the question says where the part that says it's very unlikely that a dog would do this well by random chance alone. I don't know. It's this well that's kind of throwing me off.
Yeah. Yeah.
Because that's implying that it's a good.
Yeah.
No, right. Yeah. Like.
But I'm going to leave it with little evidence and let's go on.
Okay.
Okay. Let's do the next one.
I can do it. M&Ms are small chocolate candies.
Good to know.
That's pretty sad.
Yeah.
Okay, the M&M's website previously indicated that in the United States, the distribution of the colors in a bag of plain M&Ms is given in the following table. If you reach into a bag of plain M&Ms, what is the probability of drawing a red colored candy?
0.13.
Okay, wait, and that the one with the green that they crossed out, does that mean that orange, blue, red, yellow, and brown equal 1?
No, I think that they just didn't want to show us the green. I think I'm assuming maybe one of the questions. Yeah, the next one is what's the probability that the randomly selected candy is green?
Oh, gotcha.
And so we add up all of the red, brown, blue, orange, yellow, all of the other ones that we know, and then minus that by, 1, and then
Gotcha.
that.
So it'd be 0.28,
Is that what it is?
I think, if I did my math right.
I think I added up the other ones and got 0.84.
I got 0.84, but we have to take that away from 1.
I
So I've got
Right.
did wrong.
0.61.
So
Trying to
0.16.
write it.
What did you get?
0.16.
Okay, yeah, that's what I got. I thought you said 7. I'm like, oh no, I got 1 6.
Oh, no.
And the way we can just check that is,
My math.
wait,
Okay, clear. Plus 0.14 plus 0.13 plus 0.24 plus 84. So it's not 28. Okay, I'm there. I must have entered one of the numbers twice.
okay,
Oh,
So I was going, sorry.
0.16 then.
yeah. And then I think the next one is 0.84 because it says what is not green.
Oh, yep, yeah.
Got it.
Okay. This was a lot of, like I said, like what the quiz was. I was kind of like, oh, I was reading these questions and like making them bigger than they were. I'm like, oh, I'm making this too hard.
Yeah. Yeah, me too.
Reading the table. So, but I think the homework assignment freaked me out. Like I've got all these big, huge formulas I have to figure out, and it looks like it's reading a table.
Yeah.
Okay.
UCT's of size public university taken from kpax.6 were calculated.
I'm getting choppy. Are you hearing her at all?
I think you're breaking up a little bit, Christine.
Half of the observations are less than or equal to what number?
Okay. Would it be 24? Is 24 the median? So it would be half.
5, 4.3, 5.
Yeah, I would think so.
Did you write them all in order? Is that what, or you just did it in your head?
I think we just look at the graph, because it says half of them are less than or equal to what number? If I go to median, it says the middle value in a sorted data set, half the observations in the data set are below the median, half are above. So I think it's probably 24.
Okay, I was looking at this table, not that was our information about the sampling. So yeah, it's the median, which is 24. Sorry, I was trying to find the median of all those numbers in the table.
Oh, right.
Making it harder than it is. Yeah, sorry.
Yeah.
I think that's a theme that I think it's a theme that we're all doing.
Yes.
12.
Based on the information on the table above, the top 25% of the students scored above what number?
So that's the Q3, right?
Right. So 27?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yep.
Okay. Which of the following statements is not one of the 3 rules of probability? The probability that an outcome will not occur is 1 minus the probability that it will occur. A probability is a number between 0 and 1. If the probability is high, then the probability is positive. If the probability is low, okay, I think it's that one.
Yeah, I think it's that one too.
And the sum of the probabilities in any probability. Yep.
Yeah.
Here's my little beef with that answer there. But I watched one of the videos, and the guy ability is a number between 0 and 1.
Mhm.
The rule actually says it's greater to than or equal to 0 and less than and equal to 1.
Yeah.
It doesn't, to be between 1 and 0 doesn't include that equal to.
Oh,
So that's just
interesting. Yeah.
verbiage here, but it was
Yeah.
kind of frustrating when I was watching the video. And so,
Yeah.
okay, so that's it.
No, that's it. That's a good point though to remember that you could have a probability of just 0. It doesn't have to be like
Yep.
0.0001 or something.
Right. Yeah, because it's funny. I wrote down the rules, and I have rule number 1: probability of an event is between 0 and 1. But then the formula they gave was
Right.
0 is less than or equal to px is less than or equal to 1. So yeah. Okay. So I think that I'm still though thinking that it's the third one is the one that's not the rule, is the probability
For number.
for
Yeah.
number 13.
Yep.
Oh no.
Oh, did we get one wrong?
Yep. The dog
Oh.
question.
Oh.
What the heck? I don't get how 40 is okay. I don't.
Oh, we got 2
Probability.
wrong, huh?
Yeah. I don't know
Ew.
how we got that other one wrong.
Well, good thing we can take it again, right?
Yeah.
The
Okay.
dog's
Yeah, I
brand.
forgot about that part.
So sorry, question 6.
Yeah.
What's the probability they will find the dish containing the specimen patient? Or 0.167, right?
Mm-hmm. That's what we had.
And it's 1 out of 6. There are 6 bowls, right?
Yes.
Huh.
Great.
So what would the answer be?
Oh wait,
Oh, 7.
we did
7 bowls.
6. It's 7 bowls.
Oh.
So it's 1 divided by 7.
149. Or, sorry, 143. 143.
I'm gonna write that down. 0.143. Yeah, because we did it by 6. How did we all get 6? I
Yeah,
think
for real.
because it says 6 of the samples were from patients who didn't have bladder cancer, and
Yeah.
1.
Yes, probably.
So.
Sorry.
Oh, that's.
But I still, the other one, the second one where it's about the 54 trials, and they got it right 22 times. I guess the only thing that say that this provides strong evidence is that it's very unlikely the dog would do this just by chance alone.
So yeah, I guess that's
That
what we're
actually-
judging it against.
Yeah.
Is this random or is this interesting? But is that kind of just up to human interpretation, or is there, a random, like a definite
Yeah.
number? Like, I mean, that doesn't kind of. I don't know if we all missed that, or
Yeah.
Well, we reasoned together, so our reasoning was not correct. I don't know why, but
I don't know. Maybe we'll have to ask that on like the questions and
have you done the quiz twice at all? Any of them? I'm wondering if it's the same questions or if they give you different answers. I mean, I haven't done any quiz more than once.
I don't know if I have in this class. So it'd probably be good to at least write the answers that we had and then see if it's the same. So
I did. I left that page already.
oh, okay. I'm just putting these here really quick.
Yeah, me too.
Okay, you write down the answers. I'm going to open the new quiz and see get a look at it and see if it's the same thing or different,
Okay.
since I already left and am here now.
All right, Leo, where's your leash? Bring me your leash. Bring me your leash.
It's still taking forever. Just
Yeah.
open.
That's all right. I'm still writing down.
I think I have them all written down.
Okay.
All right, it's popping up.
Okay.
Let's see here. Okay, the first one is blood types and proportions given in the table above define a probability distribution. That was true, correct?
Yeah. That's what I have.
Okay.
written.
And then the second question is, what's the probability that the random selection has blood type O? And that was
0.45.
45.
Hold on. Sorry. Mine's still taking me a second to get there.
And then it asks about not. So that one's 0.55.
Okay,
So it looks like it's the same.
Yeah. Yeah. I just went through all of them and they're all the same.
Okay.
You're quicker than me. I was answering as I went, but
5.
Okay. Yeah, I just plugged them in real fast and that other one was correct. So
Okay.
it's 0.143, right?
yeah.
3. And then 7 was strong evidence.
And we don't understand that one
Yeah.
necessarily.
That one. Number 8 is 0.13. And 9 is 0.16. 10 is 0.84. And then 11 is 24. 12 was 27. And 13 was the probability is high, then it's positive, low, then it's negative.
12 was based on the information top 25.
12 was 27.
That was that's 22.
What?
Is that right for number 12? I didn't write 12 down.
27.
27.
27?
Yeah.
Isn't 25 the Q1?
We're looking at Q3, right?
It says based on for number 12, based on the information on the table above, the top 25, never mind, Q3. I
Okay.
was reading bottom 25. Oh my goodness. 20. It's a good thing I'm doing this with you guys.
Okay, yeah. Alrighty, well, hey, now we have 100. That's good.
Yay.
Let's see if we can ask someone what this means with the
Ask our
dog.
TA about that one.
Yeah.
Yeah. So is she going to join us?
Yeah.
One
So
hour?
so when was it? Was it next week or?
I don't know. I'm just trying to find it here. Was it a text that she
No,
sent?
Yeah.
It was a text. It wasn't next week, because next week is the day Tuesday I'm traveling. Where did that text go?
And I'm trying to find it.
Oh, here it is.
October 3rd, I think. Tuesday, October 3rd instead, she said. Wait, oh, that's when I said I would be traveling, huh? I don't
Yeah.
think I heard from her after that. I think just Marty asked about.
Yeah. I was just saying if there was a different time, if you wanted to meet at a different time, but then you said you are going to try or call in.
I can try to do the thing while I'm traveling, or I could meet Tuesday night after. Are you guys both in Idaho?
I'm in Utah, but same time.
Okay, I'm at 2 hours behind you guys, so I think we're supposed to arrive around 6 or 7. So I could do probably anything after 6 your time.
You're
If you guys are available. If you're not. In and out again?
No, you're arriving in Washington at 6 or 7. Is that what you said?
Yeah, my time. So if I gave myself a little bit of leeway, if I could meet like around 8 o'clock my time, which would be 6 time your time.
Okay.
Anywhere between 6 to 8 your time would work for me.
Okay.
Or I can do on the road, try to stop somewhere.
Okay. On Tuesday nights, I have Young Women's from like 7 to 9.
Well, let's just stick with the afternoon time. And if I can't connect or something, then you guys will just have to meet without me, but I will try my best to stop somewhere. And
well, you may look up that app that guy was talking about. He said there was a Google on-air app
hang out.
that he was using.
Okay.
So maybe that way you could answer on your phone or something, even if, I don't know, if that would
Oh, true.
easier or not easier.
That would be good. I will look into that.
Okay.
Well, and then yeah, like, or we could just ask her if we could meet on a Thursday or something like that, or
and just do both of them at the same time. Although
no, she didn't respond when she's going to join us, though. She asked about the 3rd, but didn't say for sure. So maybe we need to figure out if she's going to do that or not.
Okay. We'll see. I can text her and just see if she's still planning on meeting with us. What day was it? The 3rd? Yeah.
Yep.
And so Christine, would the 5th work better for you? Thursday?
I have meetings all day on Wednesday. So my husband works for the church. He's a CES coordinator. They have a conference for husbands and wives.
Oh, okay.
And so all day Thursday and Friday morning. But Thursday afternoon, I'll be at a place where I can just go into one of the rooms at the church and I can do our call. But Wednesday, we're on and off site.
Oh no, right, yeah, like
so
I think I was meaning Thursday, like if that would be any better versus Tuesday.
Yeah, Thursday's going to be better because we'll be at a church building, and so I'll just go into one of the classrooms and we'll have our meeting.
Okay.
And so that should work fine.
Maybe we could reschedule it to either Thursday or the next Tuesday and see if that would work for her.
Yeah.
Okay. I'll text her and see. So we're looking at October. It'd be better for her to connect October 5th or October 10th.
Correct.
Okay. Correct. Okay. I'll text her and just see if she could do that instead of the 3rd. Then we'll all be
Okay.
Okay, awesome.
I just downloaded Hangouts and it's got all my messages from Taylor and stuff.
Okay. So you may be able just to connect on your phone.
Hopefully it'll ring through and come here.
And maybe real quick, not video, but maybe voice. I don't know.
Yeah,
that's true.
For sure. Okay.
And then let me just show you guys real quick what I've been doing just so I can, in case
Yes.
I'm not available or something.
Yes.
All right. So, whoa.
Yeah.
Holy cow. Let me try that again. Hold on one sec. Okay. That's a little better. All right, so
So you have been going through YouTube?
yeah.
Okay.
What the heck? What am I doing?
It's because you want to show us, right?
No, for real. Okay, so you're in YouTube, then go to your picture,
Hmm.
then go to, I believe, Creator Studio.
Yep.
Then you'll go to live streaming, and then events, which doesn't make sense, but that's how you do it. And
Okay.
then you'll go to new live event right here. And then once you're in
See me
there,
twice?
like,
Do you see?
I see twice, yes.
Okay. It worked on my phone, so I set it up. So now I'm just need to this.
Okay.
Okay.
and then once you're in there, you can whatever edit, blah blah blah, and go live now.
Hmm.
And then it'll take you. Gosh, yeah, it's multiple steps, but actually, I'm not going to do that just in case it cancels our thing. But
Okay.
it will take you to a just a chat, and then you're gonna.
Okay.
Well, basically, it's saying, okay, you're live. Then you're gonna go to add people, which is like the people and then the plus,
Uh-huh.
and just kind of type in, the other two people's emails.
Okay.
And then once they're there, you say start broadcast, which is recording the whole thing.
Okay.
So I don't know if that made any
So
sense
you
or
didn't have to set up a separate encoder or anything?
mm,
No?
I don't think so.
Okay, because everything that, like at the beginning of the class, that said you got to download an encoder and then you got to go through and do this, and from what I was seeing, you weren't live until you used the encoder, and that's what I was trying to do the very first time, but that was messing up. So I'm guessing YouTube is updated since all the videos I was trying to watch, and it now can just go live straight from there, and we don't need an
You know what?
encoder.
I'm not too sure because when my computer just shut down like a half hour ago, like I was using Google
Mm-hmm.
Chrome, and then Google Chrome wasn't working. So then I tried Firefox, and like I was all ready. I did all those steps, and then I said go live, and it said like it's not working. You need to download a plugin
An
and
encoder.
blah blah blah. And so that might just be your web browser. I think Google Chrome works pretty well with it since Google and
Okay.
YouTube are together. So
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't
Yeah.
know.
Okay.
And then after we end it all, then it shows up on your YouTube videos, right?
Correct.
Okay. Good to
Okay.
know.
Trying to figure out where the link came from. earlier. So, and it just records it for us. You don't have to hit anything to record it. It just records it and gives you a link to the video.
Going live
Well-
makes it record.
Correct. So you say go live, add people,
Mhm.
and then people start coming on. And
And it just records it for us. You don't have to
well, no,
record it.
no. Then you have to say start broadcast,
Okay.
and then you're good,
Okay.
I believe.
All right.
All right. Well, hopefully Tuesday works well.
Yes.
Thursday. Yes.
Thursday. Yep.
Have a great day.
All right. You too.
Bye.
See ya. Bye.
Bye, guys.